Welcome back, I'm Mike with QuantumCoat, and in today's video, we're going to be treating this air nibbler with QuantumCoat. So let's do it before and see what it sounds like. Eye protection is required for this tool. So what we need to do first is lube it up. So we got trusty WD-40. There we go. And then you pop this back cap off, as you can see right in there. And then you just there we go. This can's almost empty. So now you just cap it back up. Let's turn it on. Plug it in. And we got the air compressor at 90 PSI. One more spot you need the oil as well is right in there. So now we'll hit it. Now we're going to apply QuantumCoat. Just take the cap off right there. Put 10 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, and 10. And now we're going to unscrew the back cap here. And we'll put 10 more drops in here. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm just gonna get the threads on this because it is a little rough. And it is a Harbor Freight tool, so the metal quality is a little rougher. And then we'll just screw this back on here. That is actually so much smoother. And then you just wanna get the blade in here. This is probably one of the biggest parts you wanna get. It'll keep the tool running a lot longer than it normally would without QuantumCoat.
It's actually 91.
Just want to work it in now. Works pretty good.